Hello everyone. ChatGPT is taking the world by storm. Don't be left behind. Today we're going to show you how to install ChatGPT to your desktop or laptop. Don't worry, we got you covered. Let's go. Okay, so open your browser. We're using Google Chrome. Type into the search bar, Open AI. You're going to click on the link, Open AI. Next, you're either going to log in or you're going to create an account. After that, click or select ChatGPT. After that, click on the three dots, top right corner, shown above. You're going to go down to where it says More Tools, and then you're going to select Create Shortcut. Okay, so here you're going to name the shortcut ChatGPT, then click Create. After that, you're going to close all the tabs. You're going to click on the icon, drag it to the taskbar to pin it to the taskbar. And then after that, you're going to open up ChatGPT. Log into your account. Now after logging into your account, you will see that you have ChatGPT, the icon on your desktop, and you will have it also pinned to your taskbar. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Take care.